Tired of juggling multiple bills? Let's simplify your Amazon credit card payments by connecting them directly to your Barclays account. First, log in securely to your Barclays online banking or open the Barclays mobile app on your device. Ensure you have your Amazon credit card details handy, as you might need them for verification. Once logged in, navigate to the section for managing accounts or services. Look for an option that allows you to link external accounts or set up new payment methods. This is often found under Payments, Transfers, or Account Settings. In this section, you'll likely find a way to add a new payee or bill search for Amazon Finance or Amazon Credit Card. To find their payment services, you might need to enter your Amazon card account number. If prompted, this is crucial for linking the correct account. Now, you'll be prompted to set up the payment. Select the Barclays account you wish to pay from. You can choose to make a one-time payment or set up automatic monthly payments for a streamlined experience. Setting up automatic payments is highly recommended to avoid late fees. Review all the details carefully, including the payment amount, the date of the payment, and the Barclays account you've chosen. Once you're satisfied, confirm the setup. You've now successfully linked your Amazon credit card for payment directly through Barclays. Enjoy the convenience of managing your Amazon credit card payments directly from your Barclays account, ensuring timely payments and a healthier credit score. It's that simple.